Okay, this week for phonics, we're looking at a digraph, and our digraph is CK. Now, a digraph is usually when two letters that go next to each other make a new sound, and this one kind of does. We have a hard C that goes K, and we have a K that goes K. So really, the two letters together are just going to make the one sound K. They're not going to go sk or k, just a single K. So, CK is our title for this digraph. Put the date up at the top for whatever date it is for you. And let's number our 6 words that we're going to write down with 1, 2, and 3 down the edge of the page with some space in between them. Take our page here, fold it over to the middle of the book. We can find where the middle of our page is to do 4, 5, and 6. Now, CK can appear in quite a few different places, often at the end of a word, sometimes in the middle of a word if it's a bit longer, like, say, a word like pocket. So we're not going to put our CK in quite yet because we want to be able to know where to put it in as we're writing our words. So unlike some of our other ones where we've always had it at the beginning or always had it at the end, let's hold off until we take a look at our words and start putting them in. So some CK digraph words can include things like socks, duck, rocket, truck, the color black, stick, clock, or something like a back pocket. So lots of different words with CK in it. In many cases it's towards the end or even the middle of a word. So let's go ahead and put our words in. First word is socks. So socks is S-O, and then here's our C-K. Because it's more than one, we'll put an S at the end. Socks. Word number 2 is duck. So we need our D for the D. U, and then C-K for duck. Word number 3, we're going to find it in the middle of the word. It's rocket. Rocket. So R-O, and then here comes our C-K-E-T. Rocket. Rocket, like a rocket ship. Word number 4 is truck. So T-R for that consonant blend, tr, U, C, and K. Truck. Truck. Word number 5 is the color black, or the shade, I should say, black. We have our BL consonant blend, bl, a, k, black. Black. Word number 6 is stick. So we have our consonant blend, st, S-T, I, and then our C-K to make stick. Stick. Now what I want to do is I want to make these CKs pop off the page. So I'm going to take a nice bright pencil crayon, and I'm not going to scribble over it. I'm actually going to rewrite the C and the K, going right over top of my pencil, CK, so they really pop off the page. I can see where it's at the end of the word, or I can see where it's at the middle of a word, and it comes off the page there. CK. K. Now I just need to add a picture. I think I'm going to draw a picture of a clock. So let's start off with a nice round circle. And let's put the numbers on the clock. 12 at the top, 6 at the bottom, 3 over here, 9 on that side, and then the numbers that go in between. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Let's put my centerpiece, and we'll put the clock hands. How about the minute hand that's nice and long, and the hour hand that's shorter. I can label my picture as a clock. I'm going to write that word in C-L-O-C-K, clock. And there's my CK digraph words.